Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I got me another dash cam to look at. This one is a 4K dash cam. It's supposed to be really good quality. So yeah, it even says that it has 4K HDR, which I'm not even sure what that means. But we are going to install this on my car today and test it out and see. This one is sponsored by VIOFO, which is the maker of this dash cam. But all the opinions on here are mine alone, and they have not seen this video or approved this, what I say in this video at all. Let's go ahead and unbox this one, all right? The one interesting thing about this one versus the other ones that I have done is that this one has the new Starvis 2 sensor from Sony. If you don't know, all the sensors is pretty much the same on all the dash cam. Yeah, it just depends on which level grade that they got from the manufacturer, but pretty much Sony makes the sensor, and this is the brand new one. That's the reason why they can say it's 4K, because it's the latest and greatest sensor. There are some interesting mounting points here that I'm looking at, mainly right here where you see where it says rear. I've never seen those ports before, so that's interesting. USB-C as power, which is good. That's how I have it. That's how I have my car hooked up. So I can just replace that there, so no problem. Mic, AV. This one right here is AV, huh? That's an interesting one. Usually you plug into the rear for the rear camera. All the different functionality and stuff like that. I believe, you know, this button right here is an important one, so look out for that one. The reason why I say that is because once you get into an accident, you want to kind of lock that video so that it doesn't accidentally overwrite that video. So that's probably the button right there to tell them that, hey, you just got into an accident, just go ahead and start recording. All right, so this right here can be swiveled however way you want. Obviously guys, with a premium webcam, you're gonna have Wi-Fi and GPS and all that good stuff. This is a premium webcam, so just an FYI, you can track how fast you're driving and things like that. I usually don't turn it on, mainly, you know, because different reasons, but anyway, yeah, there are GPS on here in case you want to use that as well. What is this here? Oh, interesting. USB-A for what? Oh, a card reader. That's cool. So they also gave you a card reader as well. All right, USB-C cord right here, which is, you know, what you power this thing with. A very long rear camera cord. It's very nice because this wire is very thin, but at the same time it feels super tough. So yeah, I can definitely wire this thing because of how hard it is. I can tuck it in a lot better than just, you know, regular wires like these. So good to know there. I may start doing that. And then everything else, there we go. And this is the wire that you actually use to power this webcam, but if you want to tuck it in, then you use this wire right here. You see how long it is? You can tuck this wire all the way in throughout your car. You know, it sounds intimidating, but when I first did it, it was actually pretty easy to tuck stuff in your car. I don't know if you know that or not, but all the cars, they're built so that you can tuck these things in. Comes with this right here where you can kind of pry things or push the wires in and stuff like that. So this is very useful right here as I'm doing that. Anyway, also comes with a cigarette lighter adapter right here if you are if you don't have USB in your car. So yeah, that's 2-port right there. And this one right here is the rear camera. Let's go ahead and take this off. Let's see, V out. Huh, that is interesting. The way this connection is right here. So once you push this in, you hear that click. But look, you can really move this the way they've designed this wire. You can move it however many direction you want. Interesting. Is this a filter or something? So guys, it comes with a filter. You know how when you're in the sun and it's super bright, I can use this. Is this what they mean by HDR? Ah, this is cool. Okay, yeah, I totally use that because this camera is always going to be, you know, shooting directly at the sun, so that's helpful that they've done that. So the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to attach this to my car and let's go for some driving, right? Real world scenario, let's test it out. Cool, let's do it.